Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Everflo oxygen concentrator. First, let's get it set up. Carefully unpack your Everflo unit and place it on a level, stable surface. It's important to ensure there's at least 6 inches of clear space around all sides for proper ventilation. If you're using a humidifier, connect it to the oxygen outlet. Finally, plug the power cord securely into a grounded electrical outlet. Now that your Everflo is set up, let's get it running. Simply press the power switch to the on position. You'll want to allow the unit to warm up for approximately 20 minutes to ensure it delivers oxygen at its optimal performance. Next, adjust the flow meter knob to your specific prescribed liter per minute setting. Always confirm the green indicator light is illuminated, signaling normal operation. Proper maintenance keeps your Everflo running smoothly. You should clean the exterior casing weekly using a damp cloth and a mild detergent. Remember to replace the gross particle filter every 2 years, or sooner if it appears dirty. If you use a humidifier, check its water level daily and refill with distilled water. Also, regularly inspect your oxygen tubing for any kinks or signs of damage. For your safety and the unit's longevity, here are some important tips. If an alarm sounds, always consult your user manual first or contact your equipment provider for assistance. Never block the air intake or exhaust vents on the concentrator, as this can cause overheating. Keep the unit away from heat sources and open flames. Finally, always have a backup oxygen source readily available for any emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.